Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best foldable drones that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Holystone HS160 Shadow FPV-RC drone. HS160 or the new Shadow model from Holystone is absolutely compact yet offers the best flight experience ever. This one comes with an FPV 720p HD camera which allows you to watch your flight, shoot and share directly from your phone via Wi-Fi feature. 2 powerful batteries are included in the set in order to flight longer, safety to charge and easy to store. Featuring foldable structure, you can transform this mini drone to a brick-like drone to fit well in your pocket, making it easy to carry around. Allows players of any level to fly the drone easily with perfect control and wonderful performance. Moving on at number 4, we have Force One Foldable Drone. The Force One F11 Phoenix is a high-end pocket drone with camera perfect for both kids and adults. Featuring Wi-Fi feature, you can simply shoot images, record your video and watch it lively on your mobile, very perfect offered by its 720p FPV-RC camera. This drone can balance your flight super well in addition to altitude and headless mode, easier for kids and less effort for adults. There will be a remote control that will help your drone to lift or land faster, deliver the happy flight ever. Hover easily and fly even easier compared to many other drones with live camera capability. Altitude hold, headless mode and a 6-axis gyro make for one of the most stable foldable drones you'll ever find. At number 3, we have Otech RC Foldable Drone. Mini in size, yet you will be pleasantly surprised by its speed and flying performance. This Otech mini foldable drone comes with 720p camera, which is capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos under 120-degree wide angle. Anyway, you can just view your capture through the application in your smart device with ease, as it is well equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity. Extended up to 15 minutes flying time, you can enjoy playing with your drone much longer, yet if it's gone too far or the battery is about to go off, just simply press the return button. Stable your flight and get your stunning captures with this sleek design foldable drone. At number 2, we have Wingsland S6 Pocket RC Quadcopter FPV Selfie Drone. Wingsland S6 is another best portable and foldable drone that will fit well in your pocket. It can shoot in 4K at up to 30 frames per second, offering you the best quality output ever. This is a Wi-Fi controlled drone, which means there will be no controller included, yet you can display or enjoy the live video on your smartphone instead. There are 3 speed for controlling, including slow, medium or fast speed. Under 1080p resolution, this foldable drone 4K features the image stabilization, letting you crop in on the image and try to stabilize things. Wingsland S6 will always be safe to fly since it will land automatically when the voltage is getting lower or when losing the connection. And finally at number 1. Rebe FPV Mini Drone. By just simply fold the blades manually, your Rebe H818 portable selfie drone will be as small as palm-sized. You can capture the beautiful pictures and record every moments of your family gatherings with its built-in FPV 720p HD camera, which will be stored and previewed through your mobile app by Wi-Fi function. There are 3 speeds mode which can be switchable, enables any players at any levels fly and practice the flying skills easily to be at your professional level.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.